Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students of class 8. As you know that we have started the chapter number 8 from your Honeydew textbook. The title of this chapter is A Short Monsoon Diary written by Ruskin Bond. As we know that Ruskin Bond is living in the landlord in Dehradun in Missouri, and how he affected by the nature he is writing in this extract, in this prose. So a short monsoon diary, it's a diary, right? It's a noticing thing written in one particular diary and few extracts taken from Ruskin Bond's diary over here. So here he has written the experience, his own feelings for the nature, how he affected, how he realized, how he felt over there, right? And here in this lesson he was just written in a diary form. That's why it's given with the date over there. So on which particular date these things, this incident happened, what he felt over there, what he realizes, what he has observed. The different visitors also came out, and especially he was writing for the monsoon season because he has written these experiences, this extract in the monsoon season, that is the 27th June, it means, right? June month was there, and on particular date how the different several visitors came out in this season and how it looked behind over there. So here students, we have completed few paragraphs. It means the last paragraph we have seen that June 27 what happened over there. So he was describing about the one of the seasonal visitors, that is the leopard, and 1,000 visitors, that is the lychees. So then after he has just discussed about the cow, right? So how the cow, leopard, right? Leopard just lifted behind the dog, and then after that leopard attacked on Biju's cow, and anyhow Biju's mother has protected that cow from the leopard, right? So here students, we have talked about the things, that lychees and that all, right? Now we'll see the further explanation of this chapter. So from this paragraph we have just left over there. Now we'll start from this line. See students here, as for the lychees, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. As we know that these lychees is a one kind of insect. It was, and here it is given in plural, so we can use that they were used to remove blood from a patient's body. As it given here. See, students, we can say here it's meaning given here also. Lychees were used to remove the blood from a patient's body, right? So it is given here also. So as for the lychees, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting. Bloodletting means what, student? Here losing blood, right? As the writer says here that lychees were used to remove the blood from the patient's body, right? It was used, right? It's a, we can say that the doctor was also using this this type of insects to remove the bad blood from the patient's body, right? जो खराब blood होता है उसको निकालने के लिए वो lychees का use करते थे. So it means here the writer was discussing the benefits of the lychees over here, right? वो जो lychees आते हैं एक ऐसा insect होता है जो दोनों तरफ से उसका मुंह होता है, दोनों तरफ से वो चल सकता है, दोनों तरफ से वो blood suck कर लेता है, right? So it specially we can observe this type of insects in the monsoon season. So students, here it was about the lychees, how it was used in the past time, right, to remove the blood from the patient's body. The writer describing over here, the author describing over here. Now we will see the further explanation. Next paragraph, see here. Other way arrivals are the scarlet millilits. Scarlet millilits means what, students? Its meaning also given here. So scarlet millilits means a bright red bird like a cuckoo. Other new arrivals also came there in this monsoon season. that is the scarlet minivids, female earlier. So in this bird, it's a one kind of bird which has a red कैप, राइट, उसके ऊपर रेड कलर की कैप होती है, वो एक छोटा सा ऐसा बर्ड होता है, कुकू की तरह वो दिखता है. सो हियर द राइटर रस्किन बॉन डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस स्कारलेट मिनिविड्स, और उसमें दो तरफ के आते हैं, फीमेल होती है और मेल होता है. जो यहाँ पे द राइटर वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द फीमेल, इट वाज जस्ट येलो कलर. वो जो स्कारलेट मिनिविड होती है, जो उसमें फीमेल की जो होती है, राइट, जेंडर जो होता है वो येलो कलर का होता है. सो स्कारलेट मिनिविड केम इन द फीमेल फॉर्म, दैट इज द येलो कलर, right? So other new arrivals also came like the scarlet minivids, fleeting silently among the leaves like a brilliant jewel. Now here the writer, when he was just observing this type of bird animals in the monsoon season, he also not observing what how they are reacting, how they are changed their transformation, how they are just using the different leaves. Here he was describing over here also. So students, here the writer says that this scarlet minivids in a female form, fleeting means what students? Moving, right? So moving silently or lightly among the leaves like a brilliant gem. जब वो जो leaves होते हैं, right, उसके पीछे से जाती है तो लगता है कि कोई ज्वेलरी वहाँ पे है. It means it was shining over there. So beauty of this scarlet minivids, it was amazing. The writer was discussing here, right? Then no matter how leafy the trees, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves. Now ये जो brightly colored bird है, ये जो scarlet minivids है, it cannot hide themselves, right? वो खुद को ऐसे hide, conceal means what? Hide, right? वो hide नहीं कर सकते थे. So what they were doing over here, by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Contrive means what, students? Here its meaning also given, so we will say contrive means invent new method, right? So they could not able to hide themselves by them, right? But what happened, they were just unnoticingly moved from that one particular place to the another, because they could not able to hide themselves. So कोई इसको नोटिस ना कर, क्योंकि वो कभी भी पता नहीं चले, ऐसे लीव्स के पीछे भी वो रहती थी ना तो भी पता चल जाता, क्योंकि वो शाइन कर रहे थे. वो गोल्ड कलर का, गोल्ड होता है उनका कलर. सो इट वाज जस्ट बिकम वेरी अट्रैक्टिव ओवर देयर, इट वाज बिकम वेरी शाइनी ओवर देयर. दैट्स व्हाई दे कुड नॉट एबल टू हाइड देमसेल्व्स. बट व्हाट दे वर डूइंग, रिमेनिंग देमसेल्व्स एज देयर, they were just going silently, unnoticingly from the anything from the animal, right? वहाँ पे कोई भी इंसेक्ट्स या बर्ड इंसेक्ट्स को खा जाते थे, राइट? सो यहाँ पे बर्ड और एनिमल्स बर्ड को खा जाते थे, ऐसा होता है, राइट? सो वहाँ पे कोई उनको देखे नहीं, वहाँ से अनअपियरेंटली वो वहाँ से ऐसे ही चले जाते थे, राइट? विदाउट नोटिसिंग देम, राइट? दे जस्ट वेंट absolutely silent over there. Along come a pair of dragons, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the minivids away. Now उनको कौन खा जाता था? Dragons. Dragons means what, students? Here we will see its meaning. So dragons means it's a songbird with a stout bill. So what happened here? What happened? They sometimes go unnoticingly. Come out, along come a pair of dragons. Unnecessarily aggressive. They are really very aggressive and angry. That's why they can just eat any birds, insects over there. That's why along with them these dragons unnecessarily very aggressive, chasing the minivids away. वो ऐसे ही पकड़ के उसको बाजू पे लेकर सब खा जाते थे. So here the writer was discussing how these minivids came out in the monsoon season and how it became the victim of the dragons, right? So these dragons also very aggressive, very dangerous, very harmful for another birds. That's why here the writer was discussing the condition of the minivids and also here these dragons, aggressive nature of the dragons also over here. So students, these whole things happen in the monsoon season on 27 June. So writer was discussing. See next paragraph what happened here. A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the snapping up insects all the way. Now that the rains are here is no dearth of food for the insectivorous bird. So what is the tree creeper here, students? Tree creeper means its meaning also given. So tree creeper means here, as we can say that it's a one kind of plant which just grow on the ground, right? हम बोलते हैं ना वेला, जिसको हम वेला बोलते हैं. So tree creeper, it's a one kind of plant which grow on the ground, or we can say on any wall, or we can say on another plant. So students, this creeper means what? It's a one kind of plant, right? ये क्या है? एक ऐसा प्लांट है जो ग्राउंड के ऊपर ऐसे ही फैल्ट, it spread over on the ground, also on the wall, or also on another plant, right? एक वेला हम उसको बोलते हैं कि वो ग्राउंड के ऊपर होता है या वॉल के ऊपर भी चढ़ जाता है या कोई और प्लांट के ऊपर भी आगे. You can see it's a wild, we can say type of plant. आपने देखा होगा कि जो मनी प्लांट हम बोलते हैं वो भी कैसे ऐसे वॉल के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है. ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट होते हैं जो ग्राउंड के ऊपर होते हैं या वॉल के ऊपर भी चढ़ जाते हैं या फिर कोई और प्लांट के ऊपर भी वो हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो हियर अ tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree. Here the writer was discussing that these tree creeper just growing themselves on the oak tree. oak tree नाम का जो आपको पता है, राइट? उसके ऊपर ट्री के ऊपर जल्दी से rapidly means fastly they were growing over on the oak tree, snapping up insects all the way, right? Snapping means what, students? Snapping up means taking up, consuming, right? They are taking up, right? वहाँ पे जाके कोई भी इंसेक्ट हमको दिखाई देता था, वहाँ से कोई भी इंसेक्ट ऊपर चढ़ जाता था. It was just easily, very easily. उनके लिए एक स्टेयर्स बन जाते थे. इंसेक्ट्स को ऊपर चढ़ना है तो वो कैसे चढ़ते थे? So by using this tree creeper, right? So the writer was discussing it's a stair for the insects or the any bird to go up by using this type of plant all the way. Now that the rains are here, there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous bird. Dearth means what, students? Dearth means scarcity. Especially the writer was talking about the monsoon season. In monsoon season, there was no any scarcity of the food for the insectivorous. Insectivorous means what? Insect eaters. Insectivorous means insect. जो इंसेक्ट खाते हैं उनके लिए eaters, right? जो इंसेक्ट्स खाते हैं ऐसे बर्ड के लिए कोई भी स्कैरसिटी नहीं थी बर्ड्स की, इंसेक्ट्स की, राइट? सो यहाँ पे द राइटर वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट, हाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ बर्ड्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ insects just came out in monsoon season, and how their behavior, how their condition, how their situation just transferred in the and become a victim of for another bird or insect. So here the writer was talking about the scarlets, millivets that came in the female form in a yellowish, and then it looked like very brilliant. जो वो पन्नों के ऊपर या लीव्स के ऊपर होते हैं तो पता भी नहीं चलता क्योंकि इट वॉज वेरी साइलेंट. पता चल जाता है कि जल्दी से यहाँ से कौन पास हो गया, स्कारलेट मिलीवेट. सो हियर it could not able to hide themselves, right? That's why the writer was just to say unnoticingly they always used to go out from particular place, but they could not just protected themselves by the dragons, right? Or they could not able to save themselves by from the dragons. Dragons always used to eat, right, these millivets. Then in the second paragraph the writer was talking about the tree creeper. It's one kind of plant which just always grow on the wall or on the ground, or we can say on the another plant. So here different type of insects and birds using this tree creeper people to go up on that particular place. Right, then here the writer was, it was the rainy season, there is no any scarcity of the bird or insectivorous, जो insects खाते हैं उनके लिए ये सीजन में कोई scarcity होती नहीं है. Right, so here lack of, we can say lack of food यहाँ पे नहीं होता है because it was the monsoon season and easily the birds birds are able to find their food, right, by eating many insects over there. So in this paragraph the writer was talking about this. So students, here we discussed here first part we have completed, and that's why here after that questions also given students, so no need to take another solution for this particular lesson. So here students, I am just giving you the solution of this lesson with together. So please you will write every question's answer from here. So here we'll see. First question is comprehension check, page number 115. First question is, why is the author, please wait a minute, I will just do it maximize. Okay, so first question is students, why is the author not able to see the zoo? Answer also given here. The author could not see the zoo because of the mist that concealed the hills, and he could only hear his voice but could not see him. So here its answer also given. You people will copy its answer from here only. So first question is, why is the author not able to see the zoo? The author could not see the zoo because of the mist that concealed the hills. He could not able to hear his voice but could not see him. Then second question is, what are the two ways in which the hills appears to change when the mist comes up? Answer is, when the mist comes up, it covers the hills and spread the silence. That's why the author, this first is when the mist comes, two ways in which the hills appear and it covers the hills and spread the silence. So here students, we have discussed this question's answer over here. So we'll see further explanation in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.